Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a lot walk, kind of give you an idea of what's sold and what's still available. We have bought a bunch of cars this week and they're still on the way getting shipped to the lot, so you're going to see a lot of stuff pop up next week. We just updated with 6 or 7 new cars Saturday. We're going to take a little walk around the lot. If you don't mind, go to maplemotors.com to see all the current inventory. You can also get shipping information, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All you gotta do is look down in the description and get all that information. Like I said, we're gonna walk around the lot. Pretty much everything's online. If it's not, it's already sold. We'll start up here. This is a convertible Olds 1967 model. Be getting a test drive of it this week. We do test drive videos on all of these cars for all the new subscribers. If you do hit that subscribe button, you get notified every time I post a video. We do the test drives on every individual car. Just like this one, you can look it up, 1968 Chevelle. Just jump on YouTube here and type in 1968 Chevelle Maple Motors. You'll get 2 videos, a walk around description video of the undercarriage, the inside, under the hood, and then we're gonna take it down the road, do a test drive. Right next to that, we got a 68 Cutlass. This one's got a sold sign in the window. We've already sold it. It's still sitting on our lot waiting to get shipped out. Same with the white Chevelle. We had a 68 Chevelle sitting here. It's also sold as well. Next to that, we got another 68 Chevelle. This is a true SS 4-speed car with a matching number motor, 28.9. Test drive's coming soon. That's one of them that we got in this week. And that's one of them I can say it's a real SS. Right next to that, we got a 69 convertible Chevelle. It's already sold as well. Coming on up, 1992 Trans Am for $79.50. Cold air, runs and drives good. Most all of these cars already have the test drive videos, so you can check them out. Had a nice little Corvette here. I think it was a 61. It's already sold. Next to that, a 1965 Corvette. 34.9, 4-speed car. Needs paint. Runs and drives awesome. Got another Corvette for $14.9 sitting right next to it. I think that was a 78 model. New Camaro just came in. That's one of those I'm gonna have to make a test drive video of. It's a 4-speed for $24.9. It's a 70 model right there, a 72 Z28 4-speed right here for $26.9. Picked up another Mustang for $31.9. Gold stripes going down it. It's a really clean looking car. It's gonna be a new test drive this week as well. It's a 65 model. $27.9 4-speed convertible Mustang. I believe that was a 66 model. Got a 70 Mustang with $21.9. Whole bunch of Mustangs up here right now. 67, $14.9 right beside that. Guys, if you want to see under the hood of any of these cars, go to my website, maplemotors.com. close to 100 detailed pictures. And like I said, the test drive videos, they help out a lot. Got another little Mustang sitting here for $13,900. That's a convertible car. 1973. Another convertible Mustang. I think this was a 71. 99.50. Check out this 70 model flatbed. Pretty cool looking truck. Somebody customized out. Runs and drives pretty good. That one's $17,900. Right next to that, big old jacked up 1984 GMC four-wheel drive truck, $79.50. That's a tank. The other side of that, we got a Suburban for $10,900. Runs and drives good. Good little highway cruiser. Heading on back up to the front, we still got a bunch of cars to go through here. Nice Cameo truck. This is a 55 model, $34,900. These trucks are very rare. Impala SS sitting here. 26.9, 4-speed car. That right there is a 64 model. Another Impala sitting right beside it for $25,900. Got the skirts on it. I believe this was a 62 model. Already sold this one, sitting right here, convertible. You can still watch the videos if you'd like. They're available on there. That's a 66 model. And then right after this video, we're going to be doing a test drive on the 55 Bel Air, $29,900. So we'll get up under there, decode the motor, tell you exactly what block's in it, take it down the road, tell you exactly how it drives, and do a walk around description video of every flaw I could find on the car. Got a whole nother row sitting here. We're gonna go down. Go ahead and start back here in the sold section. We've sold the turbo HHR. We sold the Corvette convertible. We sold the Mustang sitting right here as well. Like I said, we got about 6-7 new cars on the way. So no worries, guys, we're restocking. They're just selling really fast right now. So everybody's coming out of COVID and wanting to ride. Get back to some of the for sale cars. Got a Barracuda sitting here, $12,900. I know I've got at least 6 on my list to make videos for, so. Got a Newport sitting here, $69.50. And that's a 1973. That's a boat right there. Ford Falcon convertible, $12,900 with a 4-speed in it. And that's a 1963 as well. Got the Coupe de Ville for $12,900. That's a huge car. 1972 model. Right beside that, we got the 68 Camaro. Already sold it. It's a fast little car, aluminum headed 350. And then I got a guy on the way right now on this. I don't think it'll last through the day, but a 4-door Nova for $79.50. This was a 67 model. He done called this morning and said, I'm on the way to pick that up. So I do not believe that one's gonna be here anymore. We generally stock about 60 to 70 cars at all times. Like I said, there was an explosion of sales this month. That's all right with us. We'll just go out and buy more. And we got down to about 30 cars. As you can see, there's a lot of sold tags in these. But we still got 30 cars available, guys, and 6 on the way. And the week just started. We'll kind of glance by we'll kind of glance by all the cars one more time. Make a little quick breeze walk through the lot. If you see something you like, you'll see it on my website. Just go ahead and jump on there. That's maplemotors.com, guys. Should answer a lot of your questions. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and see all the videos here on YouTube. Videos give you undercarriage shots under the hood, interior, trunk. Just go over every flaw that we can find. The test drives, we'll take off down the road. The cars that are built for the burnouts, we'll go ahead and give them a little bit of a show for you. Show you they're not gonna break. I've got plenty of test drives to get to today. As long as the Tennessee weather will hold up and not rain on us, which is trying to sprinkle right now, we'll get a bunch of them done. We're all family up here at Maple Motors. That's Pops right there. It's my grandfather. My father's inside along with my 2 uncles. And we've been here 40 years. There's Pat right there in the car, backing the Camaro up. That one's already sold as well. All right, guys, getting ready to conclude this video. Go ahead and jump to some of my test drive videos. I'll include them at the end of this one to make it easy to access. Be watching our Instagram, our Snapchat, and our Facebook. I post videos and pictures to them as well every single day. We'll be trying to keep y'all informed of all the new classic cars that come in our lot. You can check our website out, maplemotors.com. Financing information, transportation, we do that every single day. We've got parts, accessories, we've got wheels. We've changing them out on half the cars on the lot, so a few garages full of wheels and tires. Hope y'all had a great weekend, and thanks for watching, guys.